welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would share with you a little shopping haul. I went to Brisbane the last 2 days and I picked up a few things for the house and I thought I would share them with you. They're all current new stock in the shops that I went to, and I thought that you might like these too. There's a few Christmassy bits and then there's some householdy bits as well. So to start off, I will share with you what I got from IKEA. First off, I got this guy, and he is just a little watering can. I thought he would look really cute either in the kitchen or in my office, and he was really sweet, and I've been eyeing him off the last couple of times I have gone into IKEA, but I always have popped him back. But yesterday I was like, no, I want you. So he went into the trolley. I got these Godofeton, is that how you say it? Godofeton candles, and one's a bit smaller and one's the other, and they're the flicker battery operated candles. And I've got my little candelabras I've got out in the living room. I thought that would look cute. Or I did eye off 2 lanterns I saw at TK Maxx a couple of weeks ago that I might go back, fingers crossed that they're still there, and pop them in there in front of our fireplace. Balungan, is that how you say it? Little soap dispensers, and I got 2 of these. And I got these for my kitchen to put, one for soap and one for dishwashing liquid. That way it looks pretty sitting up on above my sink. So another one of these little wicker baskets. Every time I go to IKEA, I always pick one up, and then that completes my baskets for my little Lyre Talk TV cabinet in the living room. I love these. They're $9.99. They're fantastic. That's all I got at IKEA. Now, before I went to Brisbane though, I did head into Target, and I thought you guys would like to see that as well. So I thought I would share that. So I got this little soap dish tray, and if you look at it, it's got the cutest little print on it, and it's really neutral. And I am going to pop this in my kitchen and then have the little soap dishes sitting on top of that for the soap dispensers. But I thought it was really, really cute. I love that it's neutral and it's got that little embroidered print on it. Cute Carrara marble tray that I got for my bathroom, so I can sit it on my ensuite vanity and I can have all of my products that I use daily. Really pretty, with a little candle for my vanity of my bathroom. If you have followed along on my cleaning videos, I cleaned William's room the other day, and I was saying how he will be having a mini bedroom makeover soon. So I picked up a couple of things for his room. This is new in Target. I absolutely love them. I almost want to steal them for my living room. So comment below, tell me, do you think I should keep it for myself or should I put it in Will's room? Guess who's in the bag? He's in all of my videos, aren't you, baby? Did you miss me? So I got this gorgeous rug, if you can see the print. It's a wool rug, and it's the tailored rug. It's a 1.2 by 1.8 meters, so it's not a big rug, but I thought that would look really cute in Will's room. Or I did think of layering it over my now I've got cat fur, layering it over my jute rug in my living room. I love stripes and I just love this, so I may do that and keep with the rug that I already have in Will's room. And I got this gorgeous wool knit pillow for Will's room. It is so cute. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, it looks very similar to the one I have on my bed that I got from a local homeware shop. And it's very similar to one that I've seen in Joanna Gaines' collection. And that one is new to Target, and it's got just like the neutral backing on it. Then I went into, so we went to Chermside Shopping Centre, and Bath and Body Works is at Chermside. And we went in there and I wanted to pick up some Christmas stuff because Christmas was released yesterday. I picked up a Christmas candle and 2 hand soaps. And and I will probably go back and get more, but I had William with me and he hates shopping, so it was a quick little shopping haul. I got the vanilla snowflake. There's this cute little, it smells yummy. It actually smells like the taste of the Mocha Christmas Starbucks that I had today. It smells exactly like that. Oh, it smells amazing. It smells delicious. I can't wait to burn that at Christmas. Got 2 hand soaps. They're the little foam soaps. So this one is the gingerbread swirl. And I got this one, not only does it smell fresh, but it reminds me of my Poppy, and he always loved ginger, so I had to get this. I couldn't leave it behind. And I got the fresh sparkling snow. And the soaps were actually 2 for $16, and the candle was $35, and it was on discount too, so it's originally $46.95 and I got it for $35. Why didn't I buy more? And then I went into Kmart, and if you've also been following my cleaning videos, you know that I have a wall in my living room, and I've started hanging up a couple of hats, and it's got some photos of the kids, but I want to take down those photos and pop them all around the house, and I want to do a hat gallery wall. So these hats are new in at Kmart at the moment, and because we live on a little farm and we have visitors up, and if we want to go for a walk and look at things, then I have hats, plenty of hats for people to wear, and I just think they're really cute. So this one was $9, and it's a little cowboy looking hat. I think I must have squashed it when I drove home in the car, but never mind, it's going to hang up on the wall. So make sure you click and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be doing little mini makeovers of every little room, and you'll probably see me pop these up, and I'll be doing a undecorate video with me as well in the next day. So it's this little cowboy hat, so cute. It's got little beaded tassels on it. This one is so soft and it's cute. It's white. It's got the little tan leather braided strap to it. So cute, so soft. The fedora hat, that's right. And it doesn't really fit well on my head, but it doesn't matter because it's more for decorative purposes. This one, I need 2. Oh, so this one, oh, they're all $9. And this one, it's got the cute little bow to the side, and that will hang on the wall. And the other 2 hats that I already have on my wall, I got from Kmart last year. But I think it's going to look really cute, so I will definitely be sharing with you guys when I've done that. Cute little Mama Elf shirt, and it's got little black polka dots. And that one was only $8. I couldn't leave that behind. I thought that was really cute. I love wearing t-shirts with like either leggings or cutoffs. I had to get this one because I am totally crazy about Dirty Dancing. So I just got this little one. Cotton On had very similar, but it had Johnny and Baby on it as well. So this one was only $10. I thought that was really cute. I needed a new pair of sunglasses because I snapped my last pair, and these are very similar. So I just got these ones, and these were $5, and I got the little white. I love my little tortoiseshell print. So that's my glasses. Tea towels, I thought these were really cute. They had other colors as well, but I just got these ones. So they're little ticking stripe. There was gray ones, and then neutral, and then this one. This little over the door hanger for in my cleaning caddy, so I can pop my bin liners in there for our bin that's in the cupboard. That is all what I got at Kmart. And then I got 2 shirts at Cotton On. I love t-shirts. The first one, again, Dirty Dancing theme, is this cute little black one, and I've got Dookie fluff on it, and it says nobody puts baby in the corner. I love that saying, so I had to get that. And I also got another Christmas t-shirt with my favorite Christmas movie on it, with Elf. Oversized t-shirts, one in case They shrink, but I also like baggy t-shirts. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. There will be a cleaning video coming up in the next couple of days of taking down the Halloween decorations and getting the house all nice and neat and tidy before I decorate for Christmas. I cannot believe Christmas is just around the corner, and this year I am super excited about decorating because we are holding Christmas here. If you'd like to see more shopping hauls from me, then definitely comment below and let me know. And I'm happy to do that. I'm not sure if Chris is too happy about me doing lots of shopping hauls, but I am planning on going to TK Maxx in the next 2 weeks, and I may take you along with me, but I would really love to know if you like these type of videos on my channel as well. But I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.